I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. We've got this, we thought we were going to have to buy new ones of these. And we made it work. Because we drilled all these before we put this on, and you're supposed to work your way from back to front, not from front to back. So we need to work somehow. I don't know. Maybe we should rewrite the instructions. But we got lucky. So we thought we were going to have to buy those. This is going to be like $220 plus shipping. So we got really lucky. And we've decided that if anything has to go in the back, like antennas or more wires or whatever, that you get to crawl back there.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Just lay some 2x4s and then some planks, and then you walk the plank. You walk out there and do what we need you to do. We put some string in there so we could pull wire if we need to, but see the string, the orange string. Dad's Finch string. Runs all the way to the back on both sides. That way if we need to pull some wire, we can.
Well, but you left a hole down there on under the bottom, so you can just do that, right?
Yeah, those are inspection holes. But if I need to get like right there, you're going to have to crawl back there. Yep. You're the lightest of everyone. We do those.
I know which one they are.
42s.
That one there, 41 there.
On the top. 42 is going on the whole side.
Okay.
I just don't know if you're supposed to do that yet. I don't know why you wouldn't. What the problem is. That line tool. Let's do a drill.
Put Clecos in there. Slack it.
Do something. They all went in perfect down that side. Ooh. When I go to sleep at night, I count rivets, not sheep.
That's defective. But
I do too.
a lot of these Aggie rivets are on the wrong end. I got them, some of these started again over here. So
Good deal. Good deal.
I said some of them. Well,
I knew that was going to happen sooner or later. One of us.
them now they're popping out.
Yeah, they're in there so good, they're popping out.
Yep. Hey,
Just picking. $152.
42.
Yeah. Double A PCQ 42. Double A PQ 42 pickup.
Let me put that in there again. Damn it.
Oh my God. What is that? Oh, there we go. Woohoo!
We hope. Still didn't work.
Ah, it's a defective. I need some floors. It slid all the way off the mandrel. Yeah. It fit too good. Pop out like that.
Damn.
Oh, that's funny.
So big.
That ain't gonna work. Same cartridge.
Tool.
Sticking out of there. Well, it would be nice if they had a few more illustrations.
Yeah.
Especially for first-time builders.
Yeah, I think they sacrificed a little bit of that to get it to market a little bit quicker.
How about you face the camera? Have a conversation.
Hello, camera. Talk to me and I'll talk to you. No talking to me? No talking to you?
You're funny.
No. You said have a conversation, but there's nothing to be had.
Yeah. What'd you do today?
We got the top part of the fuselage put on and started riveting. And we didn't think that these portions right here were going to work because we did them backwards from the instructions, but they worked.
I knew they were.
Yeah. We got this closeout done right here. This goes in.
Show it again.
This closeout, I had to cut it all out and sand it, fit it 122 and a half times, and it fits in back in there. Kind of fits in back there. Better than that, but And that's your baggage compartment or Taylor's seat. So yeah, it's coming. So we've got, once we get that done, it's basically build the wings, put the skylight or roof on, put the windshield on and doors. And then,
Oh yeah, we need some wings.
yeah, we got to build the wings. Yep. It's coming. Every day it looks more and more like an airplane. Just think, like
Closer than it was last month.
30, 40 days ago, it was in boxes. God, it's already been 40 days. Wow. Time flies when you're building an airplane. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.